Hello everybody, this is Winterbrose, and welcome to tips and tricks number 3 for our TaME texture extraction application. So this tip basically means, so when you're out and about and you're going to capture some digital images, try to always look for things with a lot of huge number of contrasts in like maybe the shapes and lines and stuff, and a lot of multiple colors. And you'll find that these you can get a lot more extracted textures that are unique and beautiful out of those kind of images. So we'll go ahead and move into TaME and we'll give you a quick demonstration. Well, actually, we're not going to move into TaME. We're just going to show you this image here. Now, this is an image we captured when we were out near a new housing area. And they'd put this nice wall up, the stone wall, and you can see they got all kinds of greenery around it, different types of trees in the background there, some bushes and some flowers in the front. And of course, there's a sidewalk with some grass. So images like this, they allow you to capture a whole lot of variety in all the contrasting lines and shapes and the different colors. Can produce a wide variety of textures that you can use in your 2D or your 3D creations. Now we'll move into TaME and show you how this is going to look. You can see here we've loaded TaME version 3, and by default, well, look at that nice looking texture. It just happened to come up because the cursor always starts in the upper left corner of the image when you load it. And it's a beautiful little texture. Can be used for so many things. And of course, we're not going to show you all the different features of TaME. That's not the intent of this video. It's just to show you how getting a wide variety of contrasts and colors, contrasting shapes and different colors can really be useful in an image. So we're going to tone this. We're going to take us down to about 128 by 128. Let's click on that sign in there. There were some words on that sign. It says like the Villages of Pleasant Ridge, possibly. I can't tell what the last word is. But you can see how you can really get some cool looking textures. Even here with some TNT in it, you might want to try to make adjustments on that to get it down to just where it just says TNT itself, or maybe like TWT. We'll click around. There's all kinds of things. If you just want some greenery for your texture you want to extract, here a little bit of blue back here. We caught a little top of that bush. We could go on the stone wall and just capture some stuff on the stone wall. Since those stones are oriented horizontally, let's just go to horizontal seamless mode, and you can see the kind of how you could capture them that way. Get some other stones up here on the top. You can move up and around and get away from those words and get some nice looking pictures. Let's go back to seamless there. Let's see what vertical looks like. There's how the vertical would look. Let's look at this tree trunk. We tend to be most happy with the mirrored and seamless, but it all depends on the application. If you're putting something onto a post or a column or a railing or something that's straight, you may not want to actually have a fully seamless mirrored image. Okay, there's some nice colors in here. We got some whites with some greens. Let's take this nice, oh, look at that nice deep colors here. So there's so much you can do. So when you're out and take these pictures, just be sure to, like I said, when you see something with a lot of color, just snapshot. You never know what kind of textures you're going to be able to extract from that, from those kind of images. Oh, we just noticed looks like there's a lamp over here underneath this bush. There you go. Look at that. And so we can pull that lamp in and get different extractions to where the lamp provides some kind of interest to the texture. All depends, like I said, on what you're looking for. So we hope that helps you a little bit. So don't forget, when you're out, try to capture digital images with a lot of contrasting shapes and a lot of different colors in them, so you can get the most out of them when you do your extractions. We hope you enjoyed this tip for TaME, our texture extractor. Have a great day.